I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your data usage on TIM Italy, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TIM app. Download and open the TIM app on your smartphone. This app is your main hub for managing your account and checking usage. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly in the app. Step 3. Navigate to the usage section. Once logged in, look for the usage or consume section in the main menu. This will show you your current data usage. Step 4. Review your data usage. In the usage section, you will see a breakdown of your data consumption. This includes how much data you've used in the current billing cycle. Step 5. Set up alerts optional. If you want to avoid exceeding your data limit, consider setting up alerts. This option is usually found in the settings of the usage section. Remember, if you're on a limited plan, keeping an eye on your usage can save you from unexpected charges. Happy tracking!